raising it and they want to discuss this SIR matter very seriously. But chairman did not allow. Government is not ready to discuss. This is very unfortunate for the country and it is harmful for democracy. So therefore, they are fighting. We will fight today and tomorrow also. Don't allow us. Even they don't mention who are the members given the notice and what is the subject matter. They don't want to inform the house and outside the house. And so that we want that message to go country-wise